Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to show or hide the clock on the Brave browser on the new tab page on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you open a new tab in Brave, you may notice a clock displayed on the left side of the screen. Some users find it useful, while others prefer a clean and minimal look without it. So let's see how to turn it on or off. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. Now open a new tab page. In the top right corner of the new tab page, click on the settings gear icon. A panel will open here. In the left sidebar, choose clock. If you want to hide the clock, simply turn off this one toggle switch that says show clock. If you want to show the clock again, just turn on toggle. That's it. Now you can easily customize your Brave new tab page based on your preference. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.